back, a naturopath. Thank you for coming back. I got a question here from a subscriber. How do I gain weight on a Derm diet? Seborrheic Dermatitis diet. So Derm's a chronic skin condition of the scalp. Often affects the scalp. Scaly, itchy, flakes. It can be really annoying. You need to follow an anti-inflammatory diet. Especially look out for the fats, the bad fats, like deep fried foods, for example, takeaway foods. So if you're watching this and you've got Derm, you probably already have an idea that eating conventionally, takeaway foods and like the SAD or the standard American diet is not a great idea. Right? I'd be looking definitely at having a fresher approach, much fresher. So if I had chronic Derm myself, I'd do a stool test to find out what type of bacteria I've got in my gut, what's messed up, what needs balancing, what are the levels of my good bacteria like. Excuse me, have I got any yeasts underlying there? Many people with dermatitis have got dysbiosis. They've got lots of bad bacteria circulating throughout, their gut. Often they'll have bad breath as well and coated tongue. So stool testing and appropriate treatment is very important for Derm. I also recommend digestive enzymes. I find pancreatic enzymes in particular really help people with Derm. I'd be looking at a diet probably similar to mine. I like eating oily fish like mackerel, like tuna, okay, like herring, like salmon. So those are foods I recommend. So the right kind of fats. The best way to gain weight when you've got Derm is to cut out the crap in the diet and slowly start to eat healthier and healthier and healthier. 3 good meals per day, supplementing with probiotics in particular, and also omega-3 fatty acids, the fish oil. I'd also probably recommend that you take some fat-soluble supplements. The vitamins A, D, E, and K. The fat-soluble vitamins. These are the 4 I like you really to look at, particularly vitamin A. I find that a good one with dermatitis. Check for food allergies. Many people with Derm have got an allergy. So if you've got a runaway, out-of-control skin and you're getting nowhere and you've improved the gut, you can't seem to get on top of it, make sure that you do a test for leaky gut and also a food allergy profile. We look at an IgE and IgG antibodies. Take the key foods out, the ones in the top tier, which have the highest predominance for triggering a response. Just take them out. Don't take all the foods out showing responses, just the ones with the high peaks. Take a couple of those out. Stick with probiotics. This will really help reduce the inflammatory response with Derm. Okay? Now the way to gain weight is to get the gut in good shape first. You're not going to gain weight if the gut's in poor shape. So by improving it, by watching the stools improve, no bloating, minimal gas, good stool formation, good energy levels, good sleep patterns, this is the path for getting a balanced microbiome, leading you to getting the kind of weight that you're looking for, a balanced weight. And it'll work. It's worked for a lot of people I've worked with, and I'm sure it'll work for you too. Thanks for the question. Don't forget to click on the link below if you want my free 17-page Candida report, which is perfect for people for Derm as well. Thanks for tuning in, and thanks for the question.